Good morning, everybody. It's a great day for us, especially for Tamil Nadu Shunyatis, for Tamil Nadu Shunya session. And today, to grace this occasion, we have with us our CEO or founder, Dr. Limsio Jit. We have our IMD, Mr. Rafiq. And we have the Shunya coordinator for Tamil Nadu, Mr. Jana. So, Mr. Janathan, I would like to hand over the session to you to take this further, this Shunya session. So over to you, Mr. Jana.
Yes, Rahul. Good morning, DXN.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sunyatis all over the world. I am Success Jana, 71 years, young and energetic person because of consuming our DXN products for the last 18 years. I am getting still younger day by day because of practicing Sunya. Today is the 11th day of our 21 days Sunya challenges. We are very proud. We are very, very proud to see the creator, or what you can say is the founder of our DXN and Sunya team, which is coming for us in the platform and giving his expertise advice. Okay, thank you very much. Without any further delay, the thing is that the purpose of life is peace and prosperity. One can build their happiness only on the happiness of others. This is by Wen Zen Nagajiva. We are practicing, we are doing every day our thing as per the kind guidance of Zen Master Dr. Limsio Jin. Our simple goal is actually to spread the Sunya all over the world. We started. The doctor has put the road, fantastic cement and concrete road. We are following. Our vehicle is now, we have started with slow. Now we are on the fast track. On the fast track, actually, especially in Tamil Nadu, we are starting. In Chennai, we have started the first Sunya center. That you can see, you can go to Google search, you can see Janason's family shop, you can see the address, everything. And for your kind attention or your kind information, after fixing the board, we put the world's first Sunya yoga meditation. Join free. And we put our telephone number. Everyone are coming and saying, sir, what is this? What is this? Everything. We told very clearly, is as per, because whatever we do is as per the guidance, as per the instruction of Dr. Lim. Dr. Lim has advised, due to this COVID time, we don't want to encourage more people to join together. So where I am sitting now, you can see this is my Sunya center. You can see my wife next to me, she is Sunyati. She is also my whole family. My grandson is 12 years. He is also Success Hari Srihari. He is also there. My whole family, okay, with Sunya dress is practicing. We are enjoying. For the last 18 years, I am with the DXN. And of course, I am enjoying everything. But that 18 years, within these 8 months, I am really enjoying my peace and prosperity, everything. Okay, without further delay, I am going to, because of the very, very great, fantastic day, that this day, I am going to write in my diary as a golden day. We have started, okay, our vehicle is very, very simple. We are going on rocket speed. Already started. Thank you for everyone to joining on this thing, on the world leader, and just handovering the mic to Dr. Limsio Jin. Before handovering, I request everyone to give the standing ovation to Dr. Limsio Jin, and please welcome him.
So, good morning. So, good morning, Tamil Nadu.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, doctor.
Yeah. So, I think today we must congratulate Jana successfully set out this Sunya or Yoga Center and also come up with this 21 day. So, Jana, maybe you can translate, my speech into Tamil. Okay.
Yes,
okay.
Yeah. Good morning, Tamil Nadu Sunya teas. Dr. Lim, CEO and founder of Sunya everything. Our soldier already 24 practice is very happy to see and he has given the day today to join with us. Thank you, Doctor.
Yeah, so actually today's Sunya practice is also a yoga practice. It's a yoga practice. Today we are going to practice on three things, Okay, train your body, observe your breath, and control your mind. These are the three things you practice in yoga.
இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறது சூன்யால வந்து 3 practices. அது ஒண்ணு வந்து first control your mind and control your breathing and do the Sunya exercise. Yes, doctor.
Control the to train your body. Okay, observe your breathing and control your mind. Okay, so today the exercise will be we put the exercise into two sections. Okay, one is to exercise the body by swinging the hand. Okay, by raising the hand, also by extending the. So that is to train the body.
இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போறது ரெண்டு எக்ஸசைஸ். ஒன்னு வந்து it is called as a swinging exercise. நம்ம ஹேண்ட ஸ்விங் பண்ண வேண்டியது. அப்புறம் வந்து stretching your body. Then we are going for Sunya. Yes, doctor.
Yeah. So when we swing the hand, okay, we circulate the blood. Okay, when we raise the hand, we circulate the energy. Okay, so in these two exercise, we circulate the blood. We also circulate the energy.
Yeah. In the swinging exercise, நம்ம கையை இப்படி பண்ணும்போது we are circulating the blood, and again we are thing means completely we are energy we are circulating. This is the two thing is the first on the pre-Sunya. Yes, doctor.
Oh, 30 years old, I'm teaching the hand swing, I'm teaching the hand thing. It is many diseases. Okay, so when your body are regulated, many diseases will disappear. So these two are very important exercises.
In the rent exercise is very important. The swinging exercise, which actually whatever the problem we have, that will be automatically it will subside. Yes, doctor.
Yeah. Then before we go for observing the breathing, we observe the breathing by reverse counting.
நம்ம சூன்யால போகும்போது சூன்யா is actually entirely for the reverse counting. இந்த reverse countingல வரும்போது we are observing நம்ம உள்ள நம்மளே நம்ம பாத்துக்கிறோம். That is we are observing ourselves. That is Sunya. Yes, doctor.
So there's 3 levels, the basic level is 9 to 0. Okay, then the intermediate level is 29 to 0. Okay, then the normal day-to-day level is 99 to 0. The 3 level.
Yeah. In the Sunyaல வந்து மொத்தம் 3 லெவல் இருக்கு. The first basic level is 9 to 0 reverse counting. Second level is 29 to 0. The third level is a normal thing is 99 to 0. Yes, doctor.
Yeah. So actually you do not need to jump on 1 level, 2 level, 3 level. Day-to-day practice normally we directly 0 into 99 to 0. Like today we are going to do that.
Yeah. Every day we are practicing. We can start from 0 to 9 and 29 to 0 or 99 to 0. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறது டாக்டர் லிம்சோஜன் பண்ணும் 99 to 0. Yes, doctor.
By reverse counting, we do 2 things. By reverse counting, we can observe the breathing. Okay. By reverse counting, also we can control the mind.
In the reverse counting, there are 2 important things. First, we are controlling our breathe in, breathe out. Second thing is we are controlling our mind. Yes, doctor.
Yeah. So then the three yoga is completed in one practice. So after the meditation, our hand are full of energy. So normally then we rub the face, we rub the hair, we rub the ear, we rub the neck. These are the few areas that we are rubbing them.
Yeah. After the Sunya practice, we get a full energy to the body. And the energy வந்து நம்ம கம்ப்ளீட்டா transmit பண்றது எப்படின்னா just your hand like this. Then after that, after that you can that உங்க faceல again headல then like this. This is the thing. Then we are transmitting energy. Thank you, doctor.
Now I need to I need to change my camera, okay, to demonstrate to you the hand swing, hand raising, and also the standing meditation. Okay.
Yes, sir. But doctor வந்து அவர் கேமராவை மாத்த போறாரு. மாத்திட்டு வந்து அவர் டைரக்டர் பிராக்டிஸ். We are very much happy to see doctor is going to give a demonstration. Please follow what we are doing. This is the first pre-Sunya standing exercise. Yes, doctor.
Yeah. It's hand swing, hand swing You raise your hand to the shoulder, this thing, okay, follow me. 50 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are going to do it for 50 times. Ready?
Raise your hand. Okay.
Yeah.
3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this secondly, we are going to raise the hand. This is very important, Okay, you observe it carefully. So when you stand, okay, when you stand, don't stand straight, You should bend the knee. Bend, not too much, not squatting, just bend the knee. So when you bend the knee, your spinal cord becomes straight. You see? So you don't stand like this. No. So when you bend the knee, okay, bend the knee, then this one is straight. Now, when you bend the knee, many people have a mistake, They lean the body. This is wrong, You do not lean the body, Your body must always straight. Do not lean the body. This one is right. This one is wrong, That one is right, Okay. Then I can't go further so you can hear me, Then your hand, okay, holding a balloon. So this one we call it holding position or okay. Normally touch the finger. Don't touch the finger. Open your finger. Okay. Then you hold a balloon. Okay. So when you hold it, sometimes you can feel the energy. You can feel the energy. So you see when you put your hand like this, sometimes you can feel a real balloon. A real balloon. Your hand is normal. Okay. Put like this. Okay. Then this is your stomach. Okay. It's a lower, it's the abdomen, lower abdomen. Normally, somewhere around here. From here, you raise that. You raise, stop. Then using your hand, when you raise it, like using your hand to sign on the top of the forehead. Okay, like this. Sign on the top of the forehead. Okay. We do it. We do it. What do you call? 10 times. Okay. Ready? Breathe in. 9. Breathe out. Breathe in. 8. Breathe out. Breathe in. 7. Breathe in. 6. Breathe in. 5. Breathe in. 4. Breathe in. 3. Breathe in. 2. Breathe in. 1. Breathe in. 0. This no. Computer, put the head on, hold this, hold your energy, okay? Then we can go for the standing meditation. Okay? Standing meditation, you squat like this, Then you do the reverse counting like this. Standing like this, standing like this. Do the reverse counting. Okay. Now we do it 10 times. Okay. Breathe in. 9. Breathe in. 8. Breathe in. 7. Breathe in. 6. Breathe in. 5. Breathe in. 4. Breathe in. 3. Breathe in. 2. Breathe in. 1. Breathe in. 0. Okay. After this, look carefully. Then after that, we want to pull the energy into the body, So you open your hand, okay? Make a circle, push the energy in, okay? Open the hand, okay? Make a circle, push the energy in, okay? Again, third time. And then you release the hand. Okay. Now, after that, we go for standing. You get a corner in the house. You get a corner in the house, no? Normally, we will have some towel or some mat on the floor. Okay, let me demonstrate to you. This is a towel. Okay, this is a towel. So normally you put it on the floor. Okay, when you put it on the floor, you see, when you put on the floor, your towel, you fold it, You fold the towel a little bit. Let me see. There you can see, okay. So that you fold a bit at the end. It's like this, Then you need to put another towel, You need to put another towel. Okay. So when you sit, you have to sit on some cushion, Don't sit flat on the floor. When you sit flat on the floor, your your back will be bent, So this will be the one. I hope you can see me. Yeah. Okay. And you put your leg. So when you put your leg, okay, then you can shake your leg, to this thing. Then you can stretch your body. Okay, you can stretch your body. When you stretch your body, one hand. Okay, your left hand hold the right side. Your right hand try to touch the toe. Try to touch the toe. So you push that down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do it 3 times. Okay. Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sometimes you don't need to push. Sometimes you pull yourself this time. Pull, then you count. Okay. Some people they like to do the stretching of body. So the other side, the right hand on the the right hand on the left. My camera seems to be reversed, no? So the right hand on this thing, then the left hand, then you can try to touch the toe, or sometimes you don't need to push your body. Sometimes you can hold a bit and you count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Okay. Then you prepare to meditate. Some people, okay, you can hold your hand. Okay. then you can see this thing. These are free. Now, many people ask me, all these are compulsory? It's not compulsory. Okay. What is compulsory is the reversible thing, which we are going to do now. Okay, this thing. So when you sit there, remember, there are 3 ways of sitting, One is the cross leg. You just cross like that. You just pull your leg, cross like this. That is many people can do. That is the cross leg. Okay. Then another one is the half lotus. Okay. One leg on top of the other. You don't have to follow me. I put the left leg on top of my right leg because I used to use left hand more than right hand. So some people they put the right leg on top of the left leg. It's up to you. Okay, which leg on top of each other is not important. Why cross leg is important in Sunya? When we cross the leg, we restrict the blood to the lower body. Okay, then all the blood will go to the brain, go to the lung. So that will make yourself is very refreshing. So maybe Dana, a little bit forgotten to let you translate. Okay, you can tell them the sitting. Dana, you can explain in Tamil.
Yeah. இப்போ நம்ம பார்த்துட்டோம் first வந்து standing exercise, again we have put the stretching exercise பார்த்துட்டோம். இப்போ now we are going for the Sunya meditation. The Sunya ல வந்து you can sit on the lotus position ல உட்காரலாம் இல்ல semi lotus position ல உட்காரலாம். அப்ப டாக்டர் லிம்ஸ் டாக்டர் தத்துக் சொன்ன மாதிரி நம்ம வந்து first before that sitting நம்ம spinal cord ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா இருக்கணும். அது ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா இருக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம அதுக்கு நம்ம பில்லோ போட்டுட்டு அது மேல some bedsheet எல்லாம் போட்டுட்டோம்னா will be straight like this. And after that, sit on comfort with you, relax yourself, put on your semi-lotus or lotus. If Dr. Datuk put the semi-lotus position, other number one. Thank you, doctor.
Yeah, okay. So we do, now we settle down yourself. Okay, we do 99 to 0. I will count from 99, then after that, you count it for yourself. Then you put your hand, you can put the left hand on top of the right hand or right hand on top of the left hand. You do this, put the cushion, always put a cushion. If you do not put a cushion below your bottom, your body tend to bend forward. So when you put a cushion, you can sit right. Okay, this thing. Some people like to put a hand like this. You can put this up. So you can hold a hand like this. Some people, if they want to put a hand like this up to you or not. Okay, but don't do Madura, this thing. Just the hand fingers up to you. How to do it? Yeah. Can you explain that, Jana?
Yeah. இப்போ நம்ம போறது டைரக்டா 99 to 0 பிராக்டிஸ்க்கு போறோம். இந்த பிராக்டிஸ்க்கு போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம முதல்ல வந்து we have to straighten ourselves, put downside your pillow or bedsheet, make it straight yourself. And don't follow any other method like put your hands like this, other round make it. It is a simplicity. What you have to do is actually உங்க left hand இருக்கு இல்லையா, left hand அது மேல right hand வச்சுங்க, இல்ல right hand மேல left hand. Sim comfortably like this. இதுதான் டாக்டர் சொன்னது. Now we are going for 99 to 0 reverse counting. Yes, doctor.
Yeah. You can open your eye or you can close your eye. Okay. When you open the eye, look 45 degrees. Never roll your eyes and look upward. Some people meditate they roll their eyes the wrong way. You can fence up. Always look downwards or close your eyes.
நீங்க வந்து what you have to do is a practice சமயத்துல உங்க ஐஸ் வந்து மேல வானத்தை நோக்கி பார்க்காதீங்க. நீங்க வந்து straight வந்து actually you can concentrate on downside, just semi closely open பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க பார்க்கலாம். Okay, thank you, doctor.
When you do reverse counting, you should motionless. Don't move your body. So even your body itching everything, don't stress the itchiness. You stay emotionless for 100 counts.
இந்த பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ண சமயத்துல உங்க பாடி அப்படி இப்படிலாம் போடக்கூடாது. ஏன்னா you have to be very straight. Your concentration will be on your breathing in and out. Your concentration will be on your mind. You are seeing inside of yourself. நம்ம உள்ள நம்மள பாத்துக்கிறோம். அதால வந்து நம்ம அப்படி இப்படி மூவ் ஆகாத ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா இந்த பொசிஷன்ல 99 to 0 முடியற வரைக்கும் அப்படியே உட்கார்ந்துறோம். Yes, doctor.
Okay, let's start now. Okay, ready?
Yes, doctor. We are ready, doctor.
Yeah. Breathe in. 99. Breathe in. 98. Breathe out. In. 97. In. 96. In. 95. In. 94. In. 93. In. 92. In. 91. In. 90. Okay, you count for yourself, huh? Rub your hand. Rubbing your hand, okay. Then your head, your ear, your neck, these are the areas that we're going to rub. Okay, you put it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 times. Rub your hand. Rub the ear. Rub the neck. And you can see the shoulder. See the shoulder. Okay, you can do it as many times as you like. Actually, last time when I go for training, you should rub actually 36 times, Today we just demonstrate 6 times, it's up to you. Okay, all these are not critical, You can do it fully or you just do it 6 times, it's not a problem. Then your leg, now you're going to release your leg. Okay, when you release your leg, sometimes your leg will be numb, Okay, you just use your hand softly, touch it. Okay, you do it a few times, then your numbness will disappear. No need to rub, no need to do anything to head, no need to massage it. Softly, softly. So when the numbness disappear, okay, then you change to the other leg, The other leg, just put the hand softly. Okay, softly. Then the numbness of the leg will disappear. So I think that this will be the finish of the practice. Okay. Now we go for a little bit of discussion. Okay. I move the chat.
Thank you, Dr. Lim.
Yeah.
Fantastic. We are really happy to see a 99 practice from a Zen master. We are very much graced, Doctor, today. Okay. Dr. Lim Sojin very clear the procedure, very simplicity procedure. We are going to continue these practices. Thank you, Doctor.
So I think just rounding off before we go. So practice 3 things. Train your body, observing the breathing, and control your mind. This is very important in yoga.
Yeah. There are 3 things in the yoga. First, straighten your body. Second, count your breathing and your mind. These are very 3 important things for our Surya Yoga.
Yeah. So in any yoga, you train these 3 things, of any yoga. Okay.
In the yoga, in the moon directly they go for the stretching, they go for exercise and all. Controlling number moon yoga, we are controlling our breathing, we are controlling our mind, we are controlling. Yes, Doctor.
Nowadays, many yoga, they are not complete. Some they train the body, they go to the extreme, they twitch until they become acrobat. Not necessarily.
Doctor சொல்றது and many yogas அவங்க gurus what they are talking put a structure because whereas இதுல நம்ம very simplicity. Okay, anybody can do. That's what Doctor is saying.
So the hand swimming, the raise the hand and stretch your leg, enough, more than enough for yoga.
Dr. Lim சொல்றது the yoga, especially for Surya yoga, only hand swing. Okay, this is stretching your body and the energy. This is more important thing in சொல்றாரு. Thank you, Doctor.
Why I say reverse counting also control your mind? Because when you do reverse counting, your mind keep on interfere with you, keep on interfere with the. So you push it aside, you push that. That is how you control your mind.
Yeah, reverse counting is very, very important in Surya Yoga. Reverse counting பண்ணும்போது your mind is directly under நம்ம control director இருக்குது. அப்போ நம்ம whatever we think we are going to achieve. Yes, Doctor.
Many people ask me, when the reverse counting, the mind keep on disappearing, I feel disturbed. What I do? Don't care. Keep on counting, keep on counting, keep on counting. That's the only one. Keep on counting.
Doctor. ரொம்ப பேர் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா, for example, நம்ம எங்க practice-ல சொன்னாங்க, sir, when I do 99 to 0, if I go for 96, அது என்னன்னா திடீர்னு 96 சொன்னோமா 97 சொன்னா தெரியல. என்ன what the cook of telling it is a monkey mind. அந்த மைண்ட் அப்படிலாம் போகும்போது அதை நம்ம கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணிட்டு we have come to the concentrate on your breathing, concentrate on your mind. Thank you, doctor.
Then afterward there will be a 3 level of this yoga. No, yoga means union. Remember, yoga means union. Two things come together. Union is yoga.
இந்த இதுல வந்து there are 3 levels of yoga இருக்கு. யோகான்னா nothing but it is a union. We are joining together. அதான் யோகா.
Yeah. First, your mind and the body. This is the first level. Mind and body through reverse counting. When you reverse counting, you union the mind and the body.
First level is actually you are uniting mind and body through the reverse counting. That is the first level. Yes, doctor.
Second level, your mind, body, and the surrounding. No, your mind, body, and the universe. You yourself and the world. Second union. This is the second level.
The yoga second union எப்படின்னா first your mind and body and of course all over the surrounding with you, all the people who we are controlling. That is the second stage of yoga. Thank you, doctor.
To union yourself with the society, with everything, you need to practice 5 Panchasila. Pancha means 5. Panchasila, it means you need to practice 5 Xiaonot or the 5 precepts, no?
Yeah. To communicate with the people and surrounding the people, we have to practice 5 Panchasila. That's main. Thank you, doctor.
No, Panchasila, the 5 precepts. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
first, very important, you shall not do no harm. Okay. Many people say do no harm, do not kill. More than not killing. No, you should not cut the tree. You should not remove the forest. You should not go and shoot the wild animal. You don't harm the society. First, do no harm. It's the first thing you should do.
First thing இதுல எப்படின்னா first we don't want harm. யாரை வந்து உபத்திரம் பண்ணக்கூடாது. அந்த உபத்திரம் பண்றதால தான் காடு அழிக்கிறோம், எல்லாரும் ஷூட் பண்றதால தான் we are suffering because of this COVID and everything. First thing, நம்ம யாரை harm பண்ணக்கூடாது, அதுதான் first rule. Yes, doctor.
So, as a yogi or as a yogacharin and yogi is a two things. In ancient time, they call it yogacharin. In a recent time, we call themselves yogi, or maybe call themselves sunyati. It is the same.
In other இதுல பார்த்தா they will call as yogi, யோகதாரின்லாம் சொல்லுவாங்க. But நம்மள வந்து we are calling who is நம்ம யாராரு practice பண்றோமோ சூன்யா, will call as sunyatis. Thank you, doctor.
Yeah. To be a sunyati, of course, you must have compassion, you know. You must have flood compassion. So you should not do any harm. First rule, to control your body. Okay. So that when you control your body, then you can control your mind. Okay. Then you can union with the universe.
நம்ம சூன்யாட்டாஸ் இருக்குன்னா நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்மளே நம்ம கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணோம், நம்ம பாடியை கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணோம், நம்ம மைண்டை கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணோம். That is the first thing. யாருக்கு வந்து உபத்திரம் பண்ணக்கூடாது. That is the first thing. Yes, doctor.
Secondly, control your mind, control your body. You should not take what is not given to you. You should not take what is not belong to you. Okay, that's very important. Whatever is not ours, don't take. That is the second rule.
Yeah. The second rule எப்படின்னா we are controlling your body and mind. Second thing, நம்மளது எது சொந்தமா இல்லையோ, நம்மளது எது இல்லையோ வேற ஒரு ஆளு பொருள் நம்ம இருக்கக்கூடாது. அதுதான் second rule of sunyatis. Yes, doctor.
Yeah. The third thing is control your mind, control your body. You know, do not go and disturb people's harmony. Okay, do not have this sexual misconduct. Do not have all these things to what they call. When people are in peace, no, okay, you go and molest them, you go and rape them, you go and do harm to them. That is very bad. So these are the third rules that you should not what they call disrupt the harmony.
Yeah. The third rule எப்படின்னா don't disturb the harmony. நம்ம இன்னொரு குடும்பத்தை போயிட்டு ஒரு கலகம் பண்றதோ, குடும்பத்துக்கு ஏதாவது கெட்டது பண்றதோ நம்ம பண்ணக்கூடாது. அதான் third rule. நம்மள என்ன உபகாரம் பண்ண முடியுமோ, whatever we can give to them. That is the third rule. We are not யாரையும் டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணாத ஹார்மோனியா பண்ணணும். Thank you, doctor.
The fourth rule is that you should not making false claim, you know, or that you are enlightened, that God has chosen you to say, so you are the Mahaguru. You no false claim. Do not claim what is not true.
Fourth thing is, நீங்க உங்களே நீங்க பெரிதா பண்ணக்கூடாது. என்ன நான் தான் மகாகுரு, நான் தான் எல்லாருக்கும் டீச் பண்றேன், அதெல்லாம் பண்ணாத. Because you should know yourself. இதுல எப்படின்னா I want to tell you one thing. When I asked the doctor, we need your blessings actually. What doctor has told me, no, don't take anybody's blessing. You bless yourself. Our யாரும் blessing கிடையாது. Because you are the Suryatis. You bless yourself. That is exactly, that is, we are not Guru. We are not Mahaguru. We are not yogis. We are only Sunyatis. We know ourselves through the Sunya about inner, breathe in and breathe out and reverse counting. Thank you, doctor.
In India and in many part of the world, many this yoga school, the teacher came and said, Mahaguru, oh, the God has chosen him, the God no, you should never claim that, never.
சில யோகால நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா, for me, இப்ப நான் கூட வந்து I have also attended some 3 or 4 yoga which I pay. அதுல வந்து அவங்க வந்து they are posing themselves is there the Mahaguru and all. இதை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் don't post it. There is no overclaim. There is no lie. Nothing. We are straight. We are doing our Sunyatis and we are taking our mission to all the people to get peace and prosperity. Thank you, doctor.
Sometimes people ask us to bless them. I think that's common. Okay, you must always remember. Okay, people can only get blessing from the God, from the Lord, from the God. Okay, from Buddha, for this not us. We are just an instrument. Maybe we can help to ask the God everything to bless them. We never bless people. Yeah.
நான் முதல்ல சொன்ன மாதிரி டாக்டர் சொல்றது எப்படின்னா, நம்ம வந்து இந்த கடவுளுடைய பிளஸிங் இருக்கும், அது இருக்கும், பெரியவங்க பிளஸிங் இருக்கும், எவ்ரிதிங் we are respecting, நம்ம எல்லாரும் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் பண்றோம். ஆனா thing is actually, நீங்க when you become as a Sunyatis, நீங்க Sunyatis வந்துட்டீங்கன்னா, you are blessing yourself. They are seeing you how you are improving. நீங்க எப்படி உங்க peace and prosperity is going to you and they are following you. That is called as simplicity of it. Thank you, doctor.
To follow the teacher is good. Okay, we are the ambassador. We are Sunyata. People follow us is good. Okay, but remember, you can only get a blessing from the God, from the Lord or from Buddha, not not the Guru.
Doctor சொல்றது என்னன்னா, இந்த Buddha is only taught us everything. அப்படி இருக்க மெத்தட் நம்ம blessing actually எப்படின்னா Buddha and the doctor, with your permission, I want to see your laughing, doctor.
You want to see me?
Laughing, when you laugh.
Yeah.
Please laugh. We want to see. We are seeing you as our living Buddha or laughing God. Yeah. Okay. About சொல்றது என்னன்னா, the Buddha first blessing you are Buddha, அது வந்து automatically you are blessing yourself. Thank you, doctor.
Yeah. So we are talking about God. Everything is some other things. God is a supreme consciousness. Supreme consciousness for this thing is a very long topic to discuss now. Okay. Then the third level. Okay. The third level of yoga. Okay, is our mind body union with the supreme consciousness. Our consciousness actually is huge, it's unbounded, Okay, so you need to go to that level, the union, the union with the supreme consciousness. That is the highest level of yoga.
The highest level, ஏற்றம் டாப்ல மூணாவது லெவல் எப்படின்னா, நீங்க வந்து உங்க மைண்ட், உங்க பாடி, then the supreme மூணும் all in ஒரு யூனியன்ல நீங்க கொண்டு வரீங்க. அதுதான் the final thing is third stage of yoga. Thank you, doctor.
Okay, supreme consciousness we are going to, it's very complicated. We are not going to discuss today, but it's something that what you call, it's everywhere, It's something everywhere. It's omnipresent. Okay, it will not die. It will not be destroyed. Okay, our body can be destroyed, but our supreme consciousness will never be destroyed.
இப்போ இந்த செஷன்ல நம்ம சுப்ரீம் கான்ஷியஸ் பத்தி நம்ம தாசி பேச போறது இல்ல, but one thing we should know ourselves, our body ஒரு நாள், our body is going to destroy one day. Okay, it is designed in that way, but whereas our supreme conscious is not going to die. அதுதான் நீங்க பார்க்கணும் எப்பவுமே நம்ம. Thank you, doctor.
Yeah. Then but there are many yoga schools, they misinterpret that, Okay, they roll their eyes, they try to look the God from above, they try to unite with the God, It is wrong practice. Okay, we are only God. We are our supreme unity, our supreme consciousness, and the supreme consciousness of God is already together. You cannot be separated, Okay, so we are only part of the God. So there is no such thing of union yourself with God, Okay, no such thing. We are already part of God,
Some other meditationல சொல்லுவாங்க, you can look and மேல பாருங்க, கடைசில சுப்ரீம் கீழ வருவாரு, உங்களை பிளஸ் பண்ணுவாருன்னா, இதுல வந்து ஒண்ணுமே கிடையாது. நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி கனெக்டட் வித் தி சுப்ரீம். அது எப்படின்னா through our reverse counting of Sunya and body, mind and supreme. இதுதான் நம்முடைய simple practice. Thank you, doctor.
Rolling your eyes is a very bad practice. So wrong practice. When you roll your eyes, you get people before they pass up, they roll their eyes. They roll their eyes because before they fainted, So when you roll your eye, okay, you can go to the kind of near fainting. This is very bad for your mind and body.
இந்த ரோலிங் ஆஃப் ஐஸ் சம் ஆஃப் த யோகாஸ்ல வந்து அந்த கண்ணை மேல போட்டு அப்படியே விட்டுவாங்க. அது பண்ணும்போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் உங்க கான்சென்ட்ரேஷன் கம்ப்ளீட்டா போகுது. ஓகே, அந்த கான்சென்ட்ரேஷன் வெரி வெரி பேட் பிராக்டிஸ். அதை நம்ம பண்ண வேணாம். The only thing is we have to concentrate our breathing in and out. We are concentrate our mind. Thank you, doctor.
Your mind. But then another many yoga school, okay, they instead of observing the breathing, they practice our breathing, They practice they have abdominal practice. They are also tiger breathing, the what they call the bird breathing. Also, no, you don't practice breathing.
இப்போ அடுத்த யோகா நம்ம பார்க்கும்போது அடுத்த யோகா மெடிடேஷன் வாட்டர் பண்ணும்போது அவங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிரீத்திங் பிரீத் இன் பிரீத் அவுட் ஃபுல்லா போயிட்டு வரணும். நாட் நெசசரி. யூ கேன் கண்ட்ரோல் யுவர் திங். வாட் ஒன்லி நம்ம பார்க்க வேண்டிய எப்படின்னா யூ ஷுட் see inner how the breathing is going up and breathing is going out, and control your mind, body and soul. Thank you, doctor.
There are 3 levels of breathing. First is chest breathing. When you breathe, first you breathe in the chest. Okay, then afterward, when your mind becomes softer, quite, then the breathing of the chest stop. Then you go to the abdomen. You become abdominal breathing. The second stage.
Yeah. There are 3 stages, 3 stage இருக்கு பிரீத்திங்ல. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து you are breathing, just controlling yourself. அதுக்கப்புறம் செகண்ட் ஸ்டேஜ் ஸ்லோல பண்ணி you are controlling your mind. அதான் செகண்ட் ஸ்டேஜ்ல நம்ம பார்க்கறோம். Thank you, doctor.
You see, when you go for reverse counting, okay, after some time the breathing in the chest stop, then the abdomen take over. Okay, this is very common. So you know that the practice abdominal breathing, everything, you come naturally.
இப்போ சில பேருக்கு நீங்க பார்க்கும்போது அவங்க பிரீத்திங் ஃபுல்லா அப்படி பண்ணும்போது அவங்களுக்கு வந்து சப்போஸ் உடம்புல ஏதாவது ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்ததுன்னா ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். அதுல வந்து யூ காம் டவுன் பண்ணிட்டு யூ கேன் ஸ்லோலி யூ கேன் அக்கார்டிங் டு யுவர் லெவல் யூ கேன் கான்சென்ட்ரேட் ஆன் யுவர் பிரீத்திங். பாருங்க. Thank you, doctor.
Then the abdomen breathing becomes slower, softer. After it stop, then you breathe through the skin. That is the very highest level of breathing. Stop, everything stop. Only in the skin.
Thank you, doctor. இதுல ஒரு ஃபேண்டாஸ்டிக் ஒரு மெசேஜ் டாக்டர் சொல்லியிருக்காரு. இது எப்படின்னா we are breathing from inside outside. Now we will be breathing from our skin. The toxins out. அதுதான் மெயின். Thank you, doctor.
Many yoga school, they try to practice to bring the thing. So they hold everything. Oh, no, don't do that. Don't hold everything. We breathing through the skin is natural now. 20 to 30% of breathing is through the skin. You don't need to practice. You know the practice. God already given you the ability to breathe through skin.
எப்பவுமே நம்ம சாதாரண இந்த ஸ்டூடியோல பண்ணும்போது அந்த பிரீத்திங் கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணுங்க. ஆனா the main thing is breathing through the skin. இந்த ஸ்கின்ல தான் all the toxins எல்லாம் வெளியே வருது. அதால many yoga வேற இதெல்லாம் அவங்க mainly they will do breathe this way and all. நம்ம simplicity, okay, through the skin. Thank you, doctor.
Yeah. So 3 levels. First you breathe through your chest, okay, then the breathing on the chest stop, then you breathe through the abdomen, okay, then the breathing on the abdomen stop, then you breathe through the skin. Okay, there are 3 levels of breathing.
Yeah. 3 level இருக்கு. ஒன்னு வந்து செஸ்ட்ல நம்ம பிரீத் பண்ணோம். செகண்ட் லெவல் abdominal. The third thing is through our skin. Okay, இதுதான் வந்து 3 level of breathing.
When you observe the breathing, just like a doctor observe the pulse, observe the pulse. Okay, you just observe the breathing, don't interfere with the breathing. So your breathing is fast, let it fast. Your breathing is slow, let it slow. Do not interfere with the breathing, but looking at your breathing, touch your breathing like you are testing a pulse.
இந்த பிரீத்திங்ல வந்து ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்டா நீங்க போவாதீங்க. நீங்க போகும்போது நீங்க பாம்பு நீங்க டச் பண்ணி பார்க்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு அந்த ஃபீலிங் தெரியும். ஓகே, ரொம்ப இதா போகும்போது தான் இட் மே பி அஃபெக்ட். ஓகே, தேங்க் யூ டாக்டர்.
Yeah. So I think today in our session here, there are many things to. Sunya is very simple. Okay, but our body and our mind is very complicated, So we talk more about body and mind and more in Sunya actually.
இப்போ இந்த செஷன்ல வந்து நம்ம மெயினா கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ண வேண்டியது நம்ம பாடி அண்ட் மைண்ட். That is a very, very important thing as per Zen Master Dr. Lim Sojin. Yes, doctor.
When you talk about body and mind, this yoga, this true yoga, that's all.
Controlling of our body and mind is the pure yoga. அது மாத்திரம் நம்ம practice Thank you, doctor.
Yeah. So after that, those of you already gone through 21 days, no? Okay, you are encouraged to become ambassador of this Sunya. Okay, then you also try to lead some people, your family member, your friend, everything, form a small Sunyati group and try to practice.
Okay. Doctor சொல்றது எப்படின்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து நம்ம பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டு அதாவது we are the ambassadors of the world ambassadors of the Sunya. அதுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம ஸ்டெப் பண்ண வேண்டியது நம்ம ஃபேமிலி ரீயூனியன். Exactly as per the guidance of our Dr. Lim, my family, about 6% we have started the union. Then we will take to the guide. Thank you, doctor.
I think that you have set very good example, no? You have set very good first. You started your family, okay? Then you put your house into a yoga center. I think that is a good practice.
Thank you, doctor. Doctor, as per the guidance of Dr. Lim, actually, everything should start from ourselves. Everything should start from our family. எல்லாம் வந்து நம்ம ஃபேமிலியில இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும், நம்ம கிட்ட இருந்து பார்க்கணும். Then only the outside person is watching us. வெளியில இருக்கவங்க what is happening. அது வந்து it is actually we are making அதுதான் first thing we started the Sunya Center. Sunya Center பண்ணும்போது we put actually the world's first Sunya Center, Sunya and Meditation Yoga, join free. இது பண்ணும்போது this is one of the tool which we are taking the Sunya to the world. First நம்ம வந்து we will take our family, we will take our relation, we will take our villages, we have to take our state, we have to take out India, and we were gathering 10,000 Sunyatis we are presenting in front of Dr. Lim Sojin. Thank you, doctor.
So I think thank you very much. So today we end our session here. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Fantastic, doctor. We want to thank you, doctor. I am not. That is actually after practicing Sunya, as you taught us, I have removed the go from ego, ego. There is no ego. I am because actually nothing to practice, nothing to give, nothing to save. Everything you do your karma, you do your job. And the job, when you do your job, automatically everything is coming to you. For the last 9 months, everything. That is one of the things. Doctor, you already told us, okay, the sixth sense will be open. That is the sixth sense actually open to me with this Sunya practice. So what you can say is my laughing Buddha is in front of me. Okay, we are getting the practice from you. We are really honored, doctor, especially our team actually. We are a very small team. We have started 21-day practice. Okay, doctor, everybody daily practice from 7 to 7:45 and lot of changes we are going to make after your guidance. Okay, doctor, thank you very much, doctor. With this, what you like to advise us, doctor, how we can from India, we can take to the high level, doctor. Already we are in fast track. Please advise us. Yeah.
So I think so in India now many things happening. For example, like Dr. Rajesh is already all the counselor, this thing, even like Asnis, okay, even like the Pradeep, okay, this thing, Pradeep, like, okay, they organize together with Latin America, together with this thing. So next time, okay, all the Sunyati in the world, okay, somehow link to our Indian Sunyati, they link to our Indian council, okay, because India are the most trained by me, you know. Okay, so normally like you, okay, like even Rafiq, who this thing, so you can help to what you call coordinate the Sunya, this throughout the whole world. Then automatically India is a center automatically.
Doctor, we are very proud, doctor, because our DMI management is doing fantastic guidance for us. Actually, I met our managing director Rafiq and Mr. Rahul and Mr. Vignesh. All our staff is fantastic. They are doing a very good actually. But very clearly they told we have to follow the government rules on this pandemic situation. That is the reason we have not started physical Sunya from our center. Okay, doctor, we are doing virtual very shortly. Okay, we are going to start maybe like other meetings, like one or a month, maybe 2 times or something. We are going to practice, and all the Sunya Datta we are going to make today, even after. They'll be taking each day, one day classes like that one, doctor. That's what we are planning. And I am again thanks to the management, everything. And again, I am thanking to all over the world, my brothers and sisters Sunyatis. And doctor, in the meantime, I want to take this opportunity to tell doctor, from 25th onwards, there are the council member all over the world. They voluntarily, call me. They are coming and joining with our 21 days program. We are giving the platform to them actually after our practice from 7 to 7:30. We are giving them. They are going to give our experience. I already done about 6 or 7. Practices all the thing. The thing actually like that. Sunyati from what I can say is from Colombia, from Nigeria, from Philippines, from Poland, and from Baljeet Singh is here, and Vijay Kumar, and of course they are also coming and joining. So we are very, very happy, doctor, because we are learning day by day. It's a very, very productive, doctor. Okay, all the credit goes to you, doctor. We are always seeking your guidance, doctor. We will make India number one. We already made DX number one. And in this thing, I like to, what you can say is give my respect to all the great leaders like Crown Ambassador of, Dr. Ratna and Dr. Vasupal, Dr. Ranjan, everything. They only took DXN to all over the world. Okay, India is number one. We are making the same thing, doctor. We are going to make Sunya number one. Sunya number one. Of course, actually, we are, doctor, we are so happy to see the simplicity. That's what you are simple. As a CEO, the world man, as a billionaire, whatever I say, okay, you are very, very simple. We are learning from you. Okay, you are very clearly told, give respect, okay, and take respect. Very simple. That's what we are following, doctor. In the future, we are going to do. And the simplicity we are seeing actually through the simplified marketing system. Simplified. Simplicity we are seeing, doctor, through and products. Simplicity we are seeing, doctor, through our trainings, through our people together. This is a beautiful. And the fourth one, we are seeing, doctor, simplicity through Sunya. So, okay, one world, one market, one family. The fourth is one Sunya. Thank you, doctor.
Yeah. Everything is one. One word, one market to union all the world. This is also yoga.
Great, doctor. Great, doctor. Fantastic. We already the doctor. It is, I don't know what. I'm really thrilled myself. I thrilled myself, doctor. What we are going to do, because actually, this everything is simple. Everything is simplified, and already, it is going to be a thing. We are going to, and of course, this platform. I like to thank our Dr. Rajesh and Mr. Pradeep and all the Sunya directors. Okay, they are really, and like Pratik from Hyderabad is also supporting us. This is a family really, which I felt I am one of the Sunya team. I am one of the Sunya Datta or ambassador of Sunya, whatever you call, and we are very much blessed, doctor. Sorry to use the word blessed. We are very much guided on your presence. That is also with your very, very busy schedule. You have given us a wonderful platform, and actually we showed everything. Thank you, doctor. We'd like to see you again, doctor. Thank you very much. All Sunya teams. Again, everyone give a very big standing ovation to Dattuk, Zen Master Dattuk, Dr. Lipso Jin.
Thank you, doctor. So thank you, Mr. Jana. So thank you, doctor. ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா ரொம்ப அழகா சின்ன சின்ன விஷயத்த ரொம்ப நுணுக்கமா நமக்கு நீ சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்காரு. ஸோ இந்த பிராக்டிஸ் டாக்டருடைய மெசேஜ் என்னன்னா, நம்ம பிராக்டிஸ் வந்து நம்ம கிட்ட இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டு அடுத்து நம்ம ஃபேமிலி, அடுத்து நம்மளோட கிட்ட இருக்கிற க்ளோஸ் குரூப், அடுத்த ஸ்லோவா நம்ம இதை வந்து எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணி அடுத்த லெவலுக்கு எடுத்துட்டு போனோம். இந்த சுன்யாவோட இந்த மூவ்மெண்ட் இது ஒரு சைலண்டான மூவ்மெண்ட், பட் வெரி பவர்ஃபுல் மூவ்மெண்ட். நம்ம டிஎக்ஸ்என் இவ்வளவு பெருசா க்ரோ ஆயிருக்குன்னா அதுக்கு பின்னாடி இந்த சுன்யா வந்து பெரிய ரோல் பிளே பண்ணிட்டு இருக்குன்னு டாக்டர் வந்து ரொம்ப கிளியரா சொல்லியிருக்காரு. ஸோ அதனால இது ஒரு 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 மூவ்மெண்டா நம்ம கிட்ட மட்டும் வச்சுக்காம ஸ்லோவா இது நம்மளால எவ்வளவு ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ண முடியுமோ அவ்வளவு ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணி இது எவ்வளவு நம்மள எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ண முடியுமோ அவ்வளவு எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணி மேல எடுத்துட்டு போனா டெஃபினெட்லி இது வந்து ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு ஹாப்பினஸ் கோஷியன்ட்டா இருக்கும் எல்லாரோடைய வாழ்க்கையிலும்ன்றத டாக்டர் இந்த மெசேஜ் மூலமா சொல்லியிருக்காரு. ஸோ தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் மிஸ்டர் ஜனா ஃபார் யுவர் இனிஷியேஷன், அண்ட் தேங்க்யூ டாக்டர் ஃபார் யுவர் very simple the steps what you have shown is like teaching a child how to walk and how to talk. We enjoyed it a lot, and it was a wonderful morning with you, doctor, today. And tomorrow we have one more session. Tomorrow 7 o'clock we have one more session. I think, doctor, tomorrow also we do the practice.
Yeah. Let's do this. Tomorrow we're going back to this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tomorrow we will do the practice, and tomorrow morning it's 7 o'clock, Rahul, right?
Yes, Mr. Rafiq. Tomorrow
Yes.
we have with our Karnataka team. So today
Yes.
today the translation was in Tamil, and tomorrow the translation will be in Kannada. That's only difference.
Okay. So tomorrow definitely we will have in Kannada and through in Karnataka. So Sunya with Karnataka will be the tomorrow agenda, and 7 o'clock will be starting. And of course, the language will be in English. It's a very simple language. It's more on the practice, so it doesn't need a much translation also. So any part of from the world people can join and people can understand. If needed, we will also do the translation. And the doctor, before closing, somebody want to ask only one question. We will take this question and we'll wind up the show, doctor. Yeah. Yes. Kashvi Dhawan have one question. Can we open the mic of Kashvi Dhawan? Rahul?
Yeah. I've opened. Can you unmute your mic, Miss Kashmir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Good morning, sir. Good morning to all the Exxon team. Hello, my name is Kashvi Dhawan, daughter of Mr. Lalit Dhawan. And sir, I am your biggest fan. And Mr. Rajesh Savera, I am your biggest fan, I can say. And today, I want to ask one question from you, that how can the children can come from the depression? Matlab means in this time corona period, so many children went to the depression stage. So how can Shunya help them to come from this stage, and in a very simple technique? Can you please tell us?
This anyway, reverse counting. So the children, depending on their age, normally from the age of 3, 4, when they started to count, started to teach them reverse counting. Reverse counting can be learned by the student. Okay, I give you a few examples. One time when this earthquake in Philippines. Okay, after earthquake, so our Sunyati, the first group, we bring rice, bring water, bring the food, to the community. Okay, but the community told us actually they do not need rice, they do not need this thing. But the children are scaring, they start to stop, what to do. So immediately our Sunyati asked the student to sit down, go for reverse counting. So this reverse counting will do away with the depression, will do away with the fear, will do away with all the negative this thing. If they know how to breathe and how to count. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Good morning.
இன்னைக்கு இந்த கொஸ்டின் என்ன இருந்துச்சுன்னா, நம்ம காஷ்வி தவன் என்ன கொஸ்டின் கேட்டாங்கன்னா, அந்த சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் வந்து பேண்டமிக்ல நிறைய இந்த டிப்ரெஷன்ல போயிடுறாங்க, சில்ட்ரன்ஸுக்கு நம்ம சுன்யா எப்படி ஹெல்ப் ஆகும்னு கேட்டு இருந்தாங்க. ஸோ டாக்டருடைய ஆன்சர் என்னவா இருந்துச்சுன்னா, ரிவர்ஸ் கவுண்டிங். ஒரு சிம்பிள் ரிவர்ஸ் கவுண்டிங் நம்ம பண்றது மூலியமா ஈவன் சின்ன பசங்களுக்கு கூட நம்ம அவங்களுடைய டிப்ரெஷன்ல நம்மளால வெளியே எடுத்துட்டு வர முடியும். மேபி அவங்களுக்கு கான்சென்ட்ரேஷனா இருக்கட்டும், அவங்கள படிப்பா இருக்கட்டும், அதை வந்து மேலும் மேம்படுத்த முடியும்ன்றத டாக்டர் இந்த ஒரு பதில் மூலியமா சொல்லியிருக்காரு. ஓகே, so thank you very much. Thank you for the wonderful session. Thank you, doctor, and thank you, Dr. Jana, and thank you, Rahul, and all the team, and thank you all the viewers. And we will see you tomorrow morning 7 o'clock sharp with more and more people, with a wonderful live session with the simple practice. Today definitely thoroughly we enjoyed, and tomorrow definitely it will be going to other show. So Rahul, over to you for closing.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, doctor, for giving a precious time. And thank you, Mr. Janardana, for starting this session of 21 days challenge. Thank you, Mr. Rafiq, and thank you to all the participants and my PICs who supported us today. Tomorrow we'll meet again tomorrow, same time, 7 o'clock. So thank you once again, everybody. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you.
Yes, yeah.